Okay. Explosive.
Oh, where's the Challenger explosion? Anybody got it?
Bursting, blasting, dangerous.
I'm gonna try and Babe Ruth this one.
Oh. Explosive. Hey, Alton. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah, totally.
This is a nice description. Kids change his skin.
That's-
Kids change his skin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You gotta shake it, though.
What, the baby?
That's what I was thinking.
Don't shake the baby.
No?
The apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Spit, not so much. It's more of a spit than an explosion.
That was my garbage removal one. I want another card.
Skunks.
Man.
That's an explosive smell.
We'll give sloppy joes because they're messy, and afterwards they might get explosive.
That's where I was going with
Yeah.
that.
Having a baby.
Damn it.
Oh.
I tried.
And who's been more explosive lately than Mel Gibson?
Fair enough.
Hey, Rob wins a
That's
0.
a win.